Hi everyone. I finally got mobile phone gimbal. I've been looking at actually buying one and I've compared various different models, and in the end I settled on buying the DJI Osmo Mobile. Slightly different from the DJI, I think Osmo 6, but when I compared it to the both of them, I felt like this would do the job that I have, which is nothing real serious photography. It's more for fun. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's inside. Yeah, that's a pretty straightforward actually explanation of how to fix the phone and all of that, and I'm sure there'll be more leaflets on the instructions. So this is the first thing that comes out of it. I'm gonna open this up, and that is the carry case, and it's quite nice and branded Osmo. What else is in here? Oh, yeah, that's the quick start guide and the safety guidelines, and that's another small booklet. This is the anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phones in case they don't necessarily fit to the gimbal. Hopefully I don't have to use that. And let's see what's in here. Okay, let's start taking them out. That is the handle. I'm gonna open this up. Well, so there's no other way other than actually breaking the bag. Well, I think that's the base of the gimbal. And let's take this unit, which I think is the main component. Right, there we go. Right, now looks very sturdy and it feels very sturdy, and that's fantastic. And it doesn't feel flimsy, and this was one of the main reasons why I went with DJI, because based on my previous experience with the drone, I felt that they do pretty damn good products. What's there is, let's check the other pieces. Again, I think this is the one that holds the phones, and this will fit into the mobile, the magnetic strip fits into that. What else in here? There is, that's the USB cable. I would have expected it to be a USB-C on both sides, but no, it's a USB cable. Anything else inside here? No, that is it. So pretty straightforward, and I think it's good to go. I might actually have to charge the battery to get this going. So I will hopefully post some videos which are taken by this after I get it charged.